We're going to understand the power of our mind. Can we give Roja a big round of applause? Transformation has to happen where? And the temperament level in our mind. Okay, now, please, yes. Let's say I'm going to Roja's house. I'm Roja's coach. Correct? Roja has got a lot of respect for me. I'll go to Roja's house. Roja, able to. Ding, ding. Yes, what will you do?
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Roja. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
But Roja doesn't know that I'm carrying some garbage. Carry some garbage, some plastic and some wrappers and all. I'll put it there. What will you do?
Putting in my house.
I put it in your house. I've come to your house and the weekly put it and
Tension hours.
Tension.
Why are you putting?
I'm very, very sorry. Roja, I'm very, very sorry. Mistake. I'm very, very sorry. And I will go. I will go. What will Roja do after I go? No, we'll ask Roja. Roja, she will clean the house, correct? Why will she clean the house? It's her house. She lives there. Correct, isn't it? Few days again I'll come. 3-4 days, 1 week later I'll come. Ding ding. Wonderful. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Roja, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Very nice. Everything is going fine. But once again, Roja doesn't know this time I'm carrying more garbage. In the sofa mela konju pota, idu mela pota, ella edutla pannita.
Start tension and why are you doing like this?
Oh, I'm very sorry, Roja. I'm very sorry. Mistake. Bless you, dear. So second time, what will Roja do after I leave? Roja? Okay, after again few more days, I'll come back again. Ding ding. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you. But I am hiding. And this time I am carrying very, very dirty things. Ayyo. Mala pota, sevurlu pota, ella edlu pota. This time no, I have put SHIT also.
I will ask yourself.
I'm very sorry, very sorry. She's holding me. Now, what do you put? Correct? Third time. Correct. What will you do? What will you do?
Ask the scavengers to clean the house.
She will get scavengers. She has to. We have to have external help. She is cleaning the place. Correct, isn't it? After 1 or 2 weeks later, ding ding. Please, please, please. Yeah, everybody, please. Can you give her a big round of applause? Man is mandir. Do you know man is mandir? All of us have a prayer place in your house. How is that place? Very clean. Man is mandir. Your mind is your mandir. You live in your mind. That is your house. Don't put filth in it. Don't put negativity in it. Close the door. Roja finally understood. Don't worry. People will put shit into it. People will tell you. You have to keep your mind clean. Temple pathirkingla unga veetla eppadi irukum Reshma? Suttama irukoma? Yes. Suttama vechukoma. We don't have to clean it, but it will be very, very clean. Yes. Suttama irukum. Your cleaning place. Correct? Bhasha eppadi irukum? Eppadi unga prayer place eppadi irukum? Then why are we putting shit in our mind? Why so much of negativity in our mind? Negativity inside? Negativity inside? Negativity outside. It's very, very hard to clean inside. House you have cleaned. House you will get outside. But who will clean here? Who will clean here? Are you ready? T for workshop வந்திருக்கீங்க பாசிட்டிவா ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க நல்லா பண்றீங்க yes correct or not but அது போராது I'm a psychologist I know how the mind works அது திரும்பி குப்பை கொட்ட ஆரம்பிச்சிரும் வேணுமா இல்லையா do you want are you ready shall we change it we see in one workshop you can only get realization. Awareness எப்படி இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு இப்போ புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? Are you able to understand? Mind is very powerful, not just controlling your body, it can control even things. Everything is here. This guy you have to keep it clean. செந்தில் இது சுத்தம் இருந்தா தான் லைஃப் சுத்தமா இருக்கும். Yes or no? Yes. Everything is in your mind. Bhagavad Gita, how many of you read Bhagavad Gita or read Bhagavad Gita? Anybody? It says Yatha Drishti. Anybody knows that? Yatha Drishti. Tatha Drishti. Come on, everybody. Yatha Drishti. Tatha. It says the way is your mind, your Drishti, your sight. The world is like that. Yatha Drishti. Philip. Yatha Drishti. Your external world is an impression of your inner world. The day you are sad, you will see all sad things. பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Correct? The day you are happy, you will find happiness everywhere. பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Yes or no? Yeah, everybody. Yatha Drishti, Tatha Srishti. Your world is not, actually it is the way you see your world. Correct? It's as simple as that. Very simple, everybody. Yatha Drishti, Tatha Srishti. Your world is a mirror image of whatever you are inside. நீங்க உள்ள உங்களுக்கு பயந்தா வெளியில கூட உங்களுக்கு பயந்தா இருக்கும். Everything is here. Ready to clean your mind? How many of you ready to clean your mind? Say hi. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. D.K. Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.